Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a quick update on my portfolio since not much has changed since last week. I'm still holding all my positions. I didn't add any new deposits to the account, but I did invest the remaining 500 euros that were already there in the account sitting in cash. Let's get into it. Okay, so this is the overview of the portfolio again. As you can see, the account value is more or less the same. Not much has changed from the last week, and we can even display this visually on the graph by changing the view to 1 week, and we can see that compared to previous week, my portfolio is currently down 22 euro. But if I switch to a 1 month tab, then we can see that I had a pretty significant gain of 1,700 euros, and the rate of return for the past month was almost 8%. Now going forward, we can even have a look at year-to-date performance as well. You can see that from the beginning of this year, the rate of return for my portfolio is 2.4%, and we can compare this against S&P 500. And as you can see from here, the index is doing slightly better. It's up 4.5% compared to my portfolio. And on this graph, you can also clearly see that there was a pretty significant drop, with its bottom at the end of the March. And for my portfolio, you can also see that better visualized on the 1 year graph. You can see that there was this drop. And if we change back to year to date, we can see that at this time of the drop, 31st of March, my portfolio was down by 1,600 euros just from the start of the year. And this was mostly caused by the war in Iran. But that's just the volatility that you have to accept when you're putting your money into stock market, especially if you're doing like me by concentrating your money into a handful of positions. Now, going back to the things that actually changed since last week, as you can see in my main pot, there is no 500 euros anymore. This was my cash sitting in my Trading 212 account, and now I have invested it also into my positions. The number of positions stayed unchanged, and maybe the only thing noticeable from this list is if I scroll down here, and you can see that Intuit is now a bigger position than Duolingo. Previously it was here at the bottom, because I have added to Intuit position and to a few more. And I will show you now what exactly I have bought since last week. If we go here to history and to orders, you can see that I have added to these 4 positions, and I more or less distributed the money equally between them because I want to grow all of them at the same time. And I decided just to put more money into it because I really want to make it a bigger position in my portfolio. And that's pretty much it for right now. Just wanted to give you a quick update, and let's continue investing. Thanks. Bye.